This time on Legendary Hunter. Hi, I'm Legendary Hunter, and today I'm doing a pretty sad video. This is in dedication to the Talking Kitty Cat videos with Steve Cash 63 or Steve Cash 63 or Steve Cash 93, but anyway, his name is Steve Cash. I want to say thank you for doing all the Talking Kitty Cat videos, and I'm sorry about Gibson Cash. He was the best, but don't let Sylvester see this because he'll kill me. But at least he left a memory. 5 random Gibsons. This is all just in dedication to him. Steve Cash, thank you. Thank you for all you've done for us, and you deserve this. I am seriously this close to asking for your address so I can send you money just because of Gibson. Because Gibson, he loved us all. And I'm sure if he was human, well, he talked, he would probably say the same thing. I'm sorry.